के अंदर WTC फाइनल, वनडे विश्व कप फाइनल और अब T20 विश्व कप फाइनल में भारतीय टीम पहुंची है। तो इसको लेके क्या है और आपकी मतलब लग रहा है कि फाइनल आ जाएगा?
जरूर, मतलब अच्छी बात है कि हम कंसिस्टेंट है और बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं काफी सालों से। और स्पेशली कल लास्ट ईयर जैसे आपने कहा, तीनों फॉर्मेट्स में नंबर 1 रहना, तीनों फॉर्मेट्स में फाइनल्स खेलना बहुत एक अच्छी बात है। बहुत क्रेडिट जाता है लड़कों को। काफी लड़के जो टेस्ट क्रिकेटर्स हैं, जो हमारे वनडे प्लेयर्स भी है, T20 के प्लेयर्स में, तो एक बहुत कंसिस्टेंसी दिखाई है इंडियन क्रिकेट ने, वो बहुत बड़ी खुशी की बात है। और आगे जाके जो आपने सवाल किया, जो अगर हम अच्छा खेलेंगे और थोड़ा हमारे साथ जो जिसे कहते हैं आपको रब ऑफ द ग्रीन जो इसकी जरूरत होती है वो है हमारे साथ, तो हम जरूर जीतेंगे। Look, I think in terms of just our preparation, we've got a flight later tonight. Probably get back late to Barbados. We've just got one day in the middle, so it's unlikely we're going to be having a practice. We'll just it's just about all the guys getting into ensuring that physically, mentally, tactically we are ready for the game. Those are the things that we can control. That we're fresh, that we've looked after all our niggles. If there are any, we've done all our tactical preparation, and we're mentally relaxed and excited and looking forward to the game. Those are the things we can control. And we'll be looking to do that in the next 24 hours and try and get ourselves in the right frame of mind to be able to play that game in 36 hours time or 48 hours time.
Any lessons from the previous finals that you played?
No, nothing. I thought we were very well prepared in that final as well. I thought we were very well prepared in Ahmedabad. We've done all things. We ticked all the boxes, and on the day the other team played better, and that's part of the sport. The other team that's coming there to play has also obviously reached the final because they're a good team and they're playing very good cricket as well. So they have as much right to win it as we do. But we hope that we'll play better cricket on the day.
Yes. Rahul, playing final for India is not new, but South Africa, after they started in '91, will be first time playing final. Do you really see that plays on a player's mind or a team's mind when they are into this final now, finally? Do you think that's a little advantage to us that we are used to finals and they are new to first time?
Not really. I mean, it's not that the same players have been playing since 1991, right? And there's so many players have come and gone, and no, I don't think that really matters. I don't think any of them, I can't speak for them, but I don't think players go in keeping their baggage of the past and what has happened in the past. So every day is a fresh day. Players are very good at moving on from things, of recognizing things. So so I think just as we will move on from Ahmedabad, I'm sure they will not be thinking about history, and it'll be a fresh day and two good teams. Two teams, I think that everyone will agree, are probably the top two teams in this tournament. Played the best cricket, I think, in this tournament, both South Africa and India. So deserving finals for both the teams, and hopefully it's a great game of cricket, and hopefully we fall on the right side. Again, for a final, we're not really sure what we're going to come up against. And I'm just hoping that whatever we come up against, we will have the ability to recognize it and to be able to play accordingly. As we've done in the last 3 games, I think, both Antigua, St. Lucia were probably slightly better batting wickets than this one, but we got what we thought was a par plus score in both those games. And here again, slightly slower and lower, not a bad wicket by any stretch of the imagination, but slightly slower and lower, and we got a par plus score again. So I think that should be the aim. It's not about only getting 200 here. 170 was like a 200. So it's just about figuring out what it is, and hopefully when we get to Barbados, we'll see what it's like.